Surgical jaundice, obstructive jaundice. Definition. It is the jaundice that develops due to biliary obstruction, partial or complete or intermittent. It causes conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. Normal serum bilirubin level is 0.2 to -0.8 mg%. Scleral icterus is visible when serum bilirubin level exceeds 2.5 mg%. Effects of obstructive jaundice. O in liver. Enlarged green bile-stained liver. Hydrohepatosis shows dilated intrahepatic biliary radicals. Once intraductal CBD pressure increases, bile secretion from liver is reduced, causing formation of white bile in CBD. Biliary cirrhosis may develop later. O in the biliary tree. Recurrent inflammation, cholangitis, fibrosis can occur. O in bowel. Absence of bile from bowel impairs digestion, reduces fat absorption, making feces bulky and fatty. Vitamin K absorption is reduced, causing fall in prothrombin level, raising PTINR. O retention of bile salts and bile pigments in blood and body fluids occurs. O altered coagulation profile, hepatorenal syndrome and renal failure, sepsis. Causes. 1. Biliary atresia. 2. Choledochal cyst. 3. CBD stones. 4. Ascending cholangitis. 5. Biliary strictures. 6. Sclerosing cholangitis. 7. Carcinoma of head and periampulary region of the pancreas. 8. Cholangiocarcinoma. Klatskin tumor, carcinoma at the confluence of hepatic ducts above the level of the cystic duct, and so will cause hydrohepatosis without GB enlargement. Extrinsic compression of CBD by lymph nodes or tumors. 11. Parasitic infestations. Clinical features. O severe jaundice. O pruritus, more on the back and forearms. O fever, may or may not be present. O loss of weight. O loss of appetite. O pain in right hypochondrium, palpable gallbladder, hydrohepatotic palpable, smooth, soft, non-tender liver are other features. O Cavoisier's law may suggest inflammatory, neoplastic cause. O Charcot's triad, Reynolds pentad as presentation in cholangitis. O steatorrhea, more fatty stool, due to improper absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Classification of causes of obstructive jaundice. 1. Congenital, biliary atresia, choledochal cyst. 2. Inflammatory, ascending cholangitis, sclerosing cholangitis. 3. Obstructive, CBD stones, biliary stricture, parasitic infestation. 4. Neoplastic, carcinoma of head or periampulary region of pancreas, cholangiocarcinomas, Klatskin tumor. 5. Extrinsic compression of CBD by lymph nodes or tumors. Benjamins, 1983, classify cation of biliary obstruction. Type 1, complete obstruction tumors, pancreatic, cholangiocarcinoma CBD ligation, iatrogenic primary, secondary liver tumors. Type 2, intermittent obstruction choledocholithiasis, periampulary tumor, choledochal cyst, bile duct papilloma, hemobiliar duodenal diverticular. Type 3, chronic complete obstruction bile duct stricture, congenital traumatic post-radiotherapy, chronic pancreatitis, cystic fibrosis. Type 4, segmental obstruction traumatic sclerosing cholangitis, cholangiocarcinoma, intrahepatic biliary stones, hepatolithiasis. Investigations for obstructive jaundice. O serum bilirubin. Normal value is less than 1.0 mg%. Both direct and indirect bilirubin are assessed. Direct is increased in obstructive jaundice, i.e. conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. Van den Berg's test is done. O serum albumin, globulin and A, G ratio. Normal S albumin is more than 3.5 gm%. O prothrombin time. Normal value is 12 to 16 seconds. It is significant if it is more than 4 from the control or more than 1.5 times the control. It is corrected by injection vitamin K, 10 mg IM for 5 days or by FFP, 5 to 10 units. O serum alkaline phosphatase, SGPT, SGOT, 5, nucleotides, O total count may be raised with neutrophilia in inflammatory conditions. OUS abdomen, OERCP to visualize the site of obstruction, brush biopsy, bile sample for analysis. Fig. 12.65, sclera of the patient with obstructive jaundice is greenish-yellow in color. PTC to decompress, assess proximal dilated obstructed biliary system. If ERCP fails, then polythene catheter can be kept in situ to have biliary drainage. PTC, stenting across the obstruction can be done under image, C-arm, guidance. OMRCP, non-invasive diagnostic tool. It shows 96% sensitivity, 99% specificity. OCT scan in case of tumors to assess operability. O tumor markers, CA19-9 is useful for carcinoma pancreas, more than 70 units L, with 70% sensitivity and 90% specificity. But it may also increase in other causes of biliary obstruction and cystadenoma. O endoscopic US, EUS, it is done through endoscope. It is more accurate in assessing pancreatic mass, staging of the disease, to identify involvement of portal venous system, CVD stones. It is also useful in EUS-guided FNAC, celiac axis neurolysis, EUS-guided immunotherapy. O intraductal US, IDUS, it is very useful in assessing tumor stage, tumor margin in bile duct cancer. It is also used in assessing pancreatic duct to differentiate pancreatic cancer and chronic pancreatitis. OCT, Mr. angiogram or venogram to assess vascularity in portal venous system in malignancy. O urine tests, Fauchet's test for bile pigments, Hayes test for bile salts and test for urobilinogen in urine. Fauchet's test, 10 ml of urine plus 5 ml of buccal 2 plus pinch of MgSO4 causes formation of BuSO4 which is 5 lard over 5 LTER paper and few drops of Fauchet's reagent is added. Green or blue color signify S presence of bile pigments in the urine. Hayes test for bile salt, sprinkle sulfur to 2 ml of urine. In presence of bile salts sulfur sinks to the bottom. Ehrlich's test, 5 ml of freshly voided urine plus 1 ml of Ehrlich reagent, p-dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde, and wait for 5 minutes. Formation of red color signifies presence of urobilinogen in urine. Normally it is present in traces, in obstructive jaundice it is absent and in hemolytic jaundice it is in excess. Preoperative preparation of patient with obstructive jaundice. Proper diagnosis and assessment. Injection vitamin K IM 10 mg for 5 days. Fresh frozen plasma, often requires 6 bottles or more. Adequate hydration is most important. 0.5% dextrose blood transfusion in case of anemia. Oral neomycin, lactulose mannitol 100-200 ml BDIV to prevent hepatorenal syndrome. Repeated monitoring by doing prothrombin time, electrolytes. Antibiotics like third-generation cephalosporins. Calcium supplements is calcium chloride IV. Preoperative decompression is indicated if bilirubin is greater than 12 mg%, sepsis, hepatorenal syndrome, severe malnutrition or cardiopulmonary disease. Correction of coagulopathy, prevention of renal failure, infection, hepatic encephalopathy and electrolyte imbalance, correction of hypoglycemia and delusional hyponatremia due to water retention, avoiding isotonic saline infusion. Treatment of obstructive jaundice, OCBD stones, ERCP stone removal, choledocalithotomy, transduodenal sphincteroplasty, choledochojejunostomy or choledochoduodenostomy. O carcinoma periumpulary or head of pancreas, Whipple's operation or triple bypass or ERCP stenting. O biliary stricture, stenting, choledochojejunostomy, Routine Y hepaticojejunostomy. O Klatskin tumor, radical resection or palliative stenting. O biliary atresia, Kasai's operation or liver transplantation. O choledochal cyst, excision, hepaticojejunostomy, mucosal resection. O management of pruritus. Pruritus may be due to retention of bile salts which activates the release of histamine in skin, central mechanism, or by release of endogenous opioids. It is often difficult to treat. Once cause is treated and obstruction is relieved, pruritus will regress. Drugs and therapies used are cholestyramine, ion exchange resin binds bile salts in intestine inhibiting their absorption, rifampin, ondansetron, gabapentin, sertratin, ursodeoxycholic acid, antioxidants, phototherapy, plasmapheresis. Postoperative management O monitoring with prothrombin time, bilirubin, albumin, creatinine, electrolyte estimation. O FFP or blood transfusion. O antibiotics. O observation for septicemia, hemorrhage, pneumonia, pleural effusion, bile leak. O care of T-tube and drains. O T-tube cholangiogram in 10 to 14 days. O TPN, CVP line, nasogastric tube, urinary catheter. CBD strictures, biliary strictures, causes. 1. Postoperative, 80% common, after cholecystectomy, open or laparoscopic, more common following laparoscopic, 0.8%, than open method, 0.35%. Biliary surgery, gastrectomy, liver surgery, duodenal and pancreatic surgery. NFL amatory, stricture following recurrent attacks of cholangitis due to CBD stones. Parasites, Ascaris lumbricoides, Clonochus sinensis. Primary sclerosing cholangitis. 3. Malignant, due to cholangiocarcinoma. 4. Traumatic. Bismuth classify cation of biliary stricture I. Low CBD stricture with stump, proximal to stricture, greater than 2 cm. 2. Middle CBD stricture with proximal stump less than 2 cm. 3. Hiller, Konefel Ewens of right and left hepatic ducts is intact IV. Separated right and left hepatic ducts V. Stricture involving intrahepatic ducts. Clinical features. O obstructive jaundice. O pain abdomen. O features of ascending cholangitis. O profuse persistent bile leak. Causes of postoperative stricture. Too much traction to the GB during fundus phi RST cholecystectomy. Blind application of artery forceps in callets to control bleeding. Anomalies of biliary tree NFL amatory adhesions at callets. Triangle injury during other surgery like gastrectomy. Hogarth-Pringle's maneuver is ideal to control bleeding on table by applying pressure using thumb and phi hinges over the foramen Winslow. Investigations OUS abdomen, O liver function tests, OERCP, O on-table cholangiography, OMRCP. Treatment, O stenting, O T-tube drainage, O large-dose steroids, O immunosuppression therapy, methotrexate, azathioprine. Treatment, O ERCP stenting, O choledochordiostomy or jejunostomy, O ruse NY hepaticojejunostomy, ideal. Sclerosing cholangitis. O it is fibrous thickening of the CBD and biliary ductular wall, associated with multiple strictures with dilatation in between the strictures. Both extra and intrahepatic ducts are involved. O they have increased risk of developing cholangiocarcinoma. Types 1. Primary sclerosing cholangitis is one wherein no cause is found and is associated with ulcerative colitis, Sjogren's syndrome, Crohn's disease, Graves' disease. It eventually leads to biliary cirrhosis. Primary sclerosing cholangitis, PSC, is an idiopathic, progressive, chronic, cholestatic pathology with diffuse inflammation, sclerosis, and obliteration of intra and extrahepatic biliary systems. There will be multiple areas of strictures and dilatations, 1% per year. It has high risk for cholangiocarcinoma. It could be an autoimmune disease. It is common in HLA-B8, Dr3 halotype. 2. Secondary sclerosing cholangitis is due to stones, trauma, congenital lesions. AIDS, chemotherapy, 5-FU, transplantation, collagen diseases, sarcoidosis, histiocytosis. Features: O common in young men, 70%, O intermittent jaundice, O abnormal liver functions, O weight loss, pain, fever, pruritus, O features of ulcerative colitis in case of PSC, 70%, O PSC may be associated with retroperitoneal fibrosis, mediastinal fibrosis, Riedl's thyroiditis, orbital pseudotumor. O hepatic duct Konefeld-Ewen's most severely strictured segment in PSC. Investigation: O ERCP shows beaded appearance of biliary tree, O LFT is altered, O liver biopsy is needed to identify the severity of hepatic fibrosis. Treatment: O stenting, O tube drainage, O large dose steroids, O immunosuppression therapy, methotrexate, azathioprine, tacrolimus, cyclosporine. Treatment: O ERCP stenting. Ursodeoxycholic acid is beneficial. O liver transplantation, O median survival in PSC after diagnosis is 10 years. Gallbladder polyp, O its incidence is 5% in routine US abdomen, 10% in cholecystectomy tissue specimen. O it is usually less than 10 mm in size, pedunculated appearance. O sessile polyps are often more than 10 mm in size. O 30% are multiple. O gallbladder polyp more than 10 mm in size, associated with gallstones, age above 60 years, symptomatic, sessile polyp and multiple polyps, are indications for surgical intervention. OCT scan should be done if malignancy is suspected on USO. It is treated by laparoscopic cholecystectomy. Histology is a must to confirm benign nature and to rule out carcinoma. Benign biliary papilloma. O it is the most common benign biliary tumor. O 50% occurs close to ampulla presenting as obstructive jaundice. O benign adenoma, soft, benign inflammatory pseudotumor and cholangiocarcinoma are differential diagnosis. O ERCP, CT scan, EUS, LFT are the investigations. O treatment, papillotomy, wide local excision.